511 Tactical SidePick Spear Point is a wonderful addition to anyone's knife collection and can be used in a number of situations. This knife is lightweight, easily concealed, and fits comfortably in the hand. The SidePick Spear Point has a 3.5-inch black oxide-coated blade and is available with a plain edge or a combination plain or serrated edge. Removable FRN scales are scratch, crack, and break resistant and are contoured and textured for maximum grip with bare or gloved hands. The SidePick Spear Point is a great choice for boot or belt carry and can even be worn as a neck knife. An AUS 8 steel blade, breakaway neck chain, and a new boot mounting strap make this knife an exceptional value.
This is the Schrade Needle SCHF44LS fixed blade boot and belt knife. Stealth, dignified, and lethal, the Schrade SCHF44LS Needle is a formidable spear point tactical boot blade, crafted from 7CR17 MOV stainless steel. Polished to a razor-sharp edge, the narrow blade is 60% fine edge and 40% serrated on both sides, with a blood groove running down the middle of the non-reflective black-coated steel. Designed for survival, combat, tactical, and self-defense situations, the Needle gives you double the cutting edge of a standard knife. Plus, you get the added power of 2 serrated edges that are designed to tear quickly through difficult materials, long after most other edges are dangerously dull. The contoured TPE handle absorbs shock, is comfortable to hold in any position, and has a form guard toward the blade to keep your hand planted where it should be. A bottom lanyard hole accepts common nylon and paracord for added security. When not in use, safely store the needle in its black leather sheath with handle strap. Release the needle into action with the flick of your thumb. The rear spring steel clip allows the knife to be covertly carried behind the back on your belt or for deep concealment on a boot. Designed for use in places humans fear to tread. Crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime.
This is the Ghostrike Fixed Blade Deluxe Kit. It comes with an ankle-mounted sheath, which can be worn with either a boot or low-cut shoe. The sheath mounts to a thin neoprene ankle wrap that sits comfortably against your leg. The US 420 high-carbon steel fine-edge drop-point blade is coated in black ceramic to resist corrosion and maintain a low visual profile. Its rubberized overmold handle is diamond textured to give you superior control. The Deluxe Kit's sheath also comes with optional belt loops and can be worn vertically or horizontally in an open carry or low profile manner. At 3.3 inches, the compact skeletal blade is sized for a subtle presence and can be worn without printing. Know your local laws before you decide how to wear this knife.
United Cutlery takes concealed carry to a new level with these amazing Sub-Commander mini boot knives. With a razor-sharp 2.5-inch AUS 6 stainless steel double-edged blade, these knives will always have your back. Impact-resistant, strong TPR handles and TPR guards protect your hands while giving you a solid grip. These Sub-Commander boot knives have injection-molded sheaths and can be worn around the neck or in the laces of a boot to ensure you always have a way to defend yourself.
Our counterattack boot knives were designed with one simple philosophy in mind: functionality. Quite simply, they work, and they excel at what they do. The counterattack's full-tang blades are made from beautifully polished and ground AUS 8A stainless steel that's vacuum heat-treated and sub-zero quenched for strength and durability. Designed to cut as well as thrust, their double-edged blades are perfectly hollow ground with a unique cross-section that allows for a surprisingly effective cut while still keeping the double edges and needle tip stiff enough to put in good work without damage. The ergonomic design of the Schrade handle is comfortable and adaptable to any grip, and the deeply textured surface and double guard will ensure that the knife is not likely to slip from your hand under any circumstances. Finally, each counterattack is shipped with a state-of-the-art SecureX sheath, complete with a removable boot belt clip and lashing slots so that you can carry or conceal it just about anywhere.